architect Urvi Shah, Principal Architect at Transpace. Today I will be discussing about our project, The Box House. The client is very young and enthusiastic person and has always lived in a house which is very utility based. So he desired to shift to a house which is more open and close to nature. The house is on a plot area of 4500 square feet and located in a gated community which is surrounded by bungalows on all sides. With this design, we wanted to demonstrate that even a tight plot can feel very open by bringing in nature and without compromising on any requirements. So the main concept of the house was to open out each space and have green pockets in sync with nature. These green pockets form the visual axis between inside and outside and enhance the connectivity. The heart of the design is the central courtyard. The planning is very simple with a distinct delineation of common, private and semi-private areas. On the ground floor, the green pocket is introduced by a central courtyard. Further, the ground floor comprises of courtyard, living, dining, kitchen and one bedroom. The courtyard continues on the first floor with other private spaces. The three bedrooms are connected by a reading area which overlook the courtyard. On the second floor, there are other semi-private areas like entertainment room. The second floor extends itself into a terrace with a gazebo, which forms a cozy nook for the family members. The central courtyard is highlighted with an umbrella tree. Further, the slit window and the skylight above bring in natural light and cast sciography throughout the day. The courtyard and the garden form the longitudinal axis, framing beautiful views for the living area. Further, the courtyard, dining and the deck form a transverse axis, giving dining an experience of being set in the greens. The dining extends itself into an outdoor deck with a water body, giving a very tranquil and zen type environment for a sit out. Now in the vertical direction, the courtyard exudes different experiences at different levels. The interior color scheme is very neutral and the material palette is kept very minimal. Grey stone flooring is used against white walls and ceiling. All the furniture is either customized or handcrafted on site. Wood and metal are the key elements used in developing the furniture concept. The facade of the house faces the south direction, so we have flanked it with balcony and terraces. They act as a buffer for the main functional areas. The concept of boxes is used to add character to the climate responsive balcony and window seating. The concept of boxes is then taken further to develop the overall design language. These boxes form the facade and frame the views outside. A very timeless material palette of brick is used for the entire house. A shifting material to exposed grey plaster is used to distinguish the boxes and make them stand out. Lastly, the compound wall is designed in grey to balance the proportions of brick and grey, creating cozy nooks that connect the exterior and the interior ends our journey of designing the house. One such space is the window sitting, framing the view of the garden from the living area, followed by the reading space on the first floor and a gazebo on the second floor. Finally, the overall lighting adds warmth to the house. To sum it up, the project is an attempt to strike a balance between the attributes of form, function and nature.